How to read old chats on Instagram without scrolling. Firstly, open Instagram and go to your chat section. Go to your chat and tap on the person's name at the top left corner. Select the search option here. Now search for the conversation that you'd like to read. Press search. Now all the conversation that has the word will appear and the chat will be highlighted so it will be easier to read. If you don't remember the conversation, then you can simply download your information. Go to settings on your Instagram. Now select the option Your Activity. Inside Your Activity, scroll down to the very bottom and select Download Your Information. At the top, click on Download or Transfer Information. Select the account for which you would like to download information. Click on Some of Your Information. Then select the option Messages. Now download your information and read it. That's all for today. Thank you.